यहाँ तेरी चीख सुनने वाला कोई नहीं, बुला ले तेरे भगवान को, देखता हूँ कौन आता है। Bollywood movies without villains are like life without fresh air. Hindi movies are incomplete without a hero, heroine and villain. The negative shade of villains adds spice to an otherwise sugary love story. The baddies in real life have the privilege to experiment with the looks, are handsomely paid to be theatrical, and despite a fatal end, always get to mouth better lines than the hero.
चले जाओ यहाँ से। आइंदा अगर इस बस्ती के करीब भी देख लिया तो जिंदा गाड़ दूंगा।
Here's a countdown of Bollywood's top 10 villains. At number 10 is Shakti Kapoor. Shakti Kapoor, the name itself spelt doom and vulgarity for the females. He's worked in comic and villainous roles too, but as a villain, he's excelled to an extent that the very sight of him in films made females feel unsafe. His memorable films have been Qurbani, Jani Dushman, Dance Dance, and has acted as a villain opposite every hero, be it Amitabh Bachchan or Hrithik Roshan. At number 9 is Gulshan Grover.
डिनर से पहले थोड़ी सी हो जाए ताकि भूख और बढ़ जाए, तभी तो डिनर खाने का असली मजा आएगा।
Gulshan Grover, the bad man, has appeared in several Hindi, Punjabi and Hollywood films. His memorable films have been Sir, Yes Boss, Ram Jaane, Duplicate, Mohra, and the list seems to be endless. His dirty mind terrorized many females all over the world. At number 8 is Sadashiv Amrapurkar.
डर मत मेरी जान, डर मत, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगी, मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती। जानती हो क्यों? क्योंकि मैं आधा मर्द हूँ और आधी औरत। देखना, ना रूप ना रंग, देखिए किस्मत का खेल तो देख। अगर कुछ है ना मेरे पास तो वो है दिमाग। कमाल का दिमाग है मेरे पास।
Sadashiv has dominated as a villain by playing roles ranging from a corrupt police officer to a eunuch and even an evil landlord. His noteworthy baddie roles are in films like Indrajit, Sadak, Izzat, Farishte, Sabse Bada Khiladi and Ishq. At number 7 is Ajit.
लेकिन एक बात मत भूलिए डीएसपी साहब कि सारा शहर मुझे लॉयन के नाम से जानता है।
Ajit Khan was a stylish actor known for his unique dialogue delivery. His dialogues, Mona darling, smart boy, Lily don't be silly, Mona lutlo sona, went on to become a rage, and the popularity even overshadowed his earlier remarkable performances. He debuted as a hero in Shahe Mishra, but is still remembered as a dashing villain for his performances in Jewel Thief, Zanjeer, Yadon Ki Baaraat, Kali Charan. At number 6 is Danny Denzongpa.
बहुत दिनों बाद एक हिंदुस्तानी मछली हमारे समुद्र में दिखाई दिया, इसे रात के खाने पे बुलाओ।
Danny also started his career as a hero in Zarurat, but he made his mark as an anti-hero in movies like Krantiveer, Vijay Path, Barsat, Ghatak, and as Kancha Cheena in Agnipath. At number 5 is Jeevan.
हाँ, भीख पर हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता। देखो तुम एक यंग आदमी है, कुछ मेहनत करो, कुछ काम करो। सोच कर आए हो, ईमानदारी से किया हुआ कोई काम बुरा नहीं होता। तुमको पैसा चाहिए, पैसा मिलेगा।
Jeevan started off playing Narad Muni in mythological films of the 50s. Post that, his illustrious performances as a villain have been in movies like Sangam, Waqt, Dil Ne Phir Yaad Kiya, Amar Akbar Anthony, Lavaris and many more. At number 4 is Prem Chopra.
दर्द को शराब के शोलों से जलाना चाहते हो?
शब्बो, मैं जो आग लगाता हूँ उसे बुझाना ही जानता हूँ।
Prem had started as a hero in Shaheed, but with the success of films like Teesri Manzil, Wo Kaun Thi, Do Raaste, Kati Patang, his impact as a negative character on screen became so strong that husbands began shielding their wives from him, and the children began to weep when his name is uttered. His villainous performances in Daag, Prem Nagar, Mehbooba, Kala Patthar, Do Anjane, The Great Gambler, Trishul, Betab, Arjun can never be forgotten. At number 3 is Amrish Puri.
मोगेम्बो, खुश हुआ।
Amrish Puri made his debut with Prem Pujari, but his baritone voice and his eyes made him one of the best villains in Bollywood, with performances in Karan Arjun, Koila, Badshah, Gadar, but his acting prowess as Mogambo in Mr. India was the icing on the cake. At number 2 is Amjad Khan.
कितने आदमी थे सरदार? 2 आदमी थे। दो आदमी। सुअर के बच्चों!
Amjad Khan, better known as Gabbar Singh, for his impeccable performance in Sholay as a dacoit leader, shot him to overnight stardom, and till date is probably the best performance by any villain in the Hindi film industry. Though the movie boasted of an ensemble cast of superstars, including Dharmendra, Amitabh Bachchan and Sanjeev Kumar, he stole the thunder with his unorthodox and eerie dialogue delivery that was perfectly tailor-made to the total lack of empathy in his character which he was supposed to convey. Apart from outshining other villains as Zorawar in Muqaddar Ka Sikandar film, he has worked as a villain in various other films. And at number 1 is Pran.
मालिक के सामने नजर झुकाकर रख बदतमीज।
Pran also started off as a hero in Hindi films with Khandan, but he got more recognition as a villain. He experimented with various accents, hairstyles, facial get-ups, clothes and mannerisms to bring the negative characters to life. Like in Jis Desh Mein Ganga Behti Hai, Pran fashioned the role of a dreaded dacoit Raka after seeing the picture of a real dacoit in a newspaper. Pran is the perfect villain ever in the Hindi film industry and has countless unparalleled performances to his credit. Pran's intensity as a villain was so strong that people hated him from the very core of their heart, and his real life became so prominent that people on the streets would keep away from him. Pran's memorable movies include Ram and Shyam, Zanjeer, Dawn, Amar Akbar Anthony and many others. He's the undisputed villain of the millennium. This is Sandeep Kumar for Rajshri.com.